here's the brothers back together. Oh, it's one of the cats checking out Waffle saying, who are you? That's Waffle and Rumble. Thunder supervising. Oh, there he goes. So we think there'll be a lot of this going on over the next few days. Hey, sweetie. Oh, here he comes. Hey, darling. Well,